Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change the website URL on your LinkedIn profile using a PC, following the latest updates. It's a straightforward process that can help keep your professional information current and relevant. So let's get started. First things first, head over to LinkedIn and open up the website. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll spot the Me icon. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, we're going to navigate to Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your LinkedIn account. 7. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, look for Account Preferences. This section allows you to adjust settings related to your account, including profile information. Now, under Profile Information, you'll find Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this option to access and modify these details of your LinkedIn profile. Next, find the Contact Info section. Here, you'll see an option to edit contact info. Click on the Edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil. This action will open a pop-up window displaying all your contact information, including your website URL. In the Edit Contact Info window, you'll see the current website URL you have listed on your profile. Simply click into the text box and replace the existing URL with the new website you want to display. Whether it's a link to your personal portfolio, company website, or blog, make sure it's accurate and up to date. Once you've entered the new website URL, take a quick moment to double-check that you've typed it correctly. Accuracy is key here. After you're satisfied, look for the Save button and click it to finalize the changes. LinkedIn will then update your profile with the new website URL. And that's it. You've successfully changed the website URL on your LinkedIn profile. This ensures that your network and potential employers or collaborators always have access to your most current online presence. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated is a great way to manage your professional brand and make the right connections. So, take a few minutes regularly to review and refresh your information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.